Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you one of SellerPic's most impressive features that will completely transform your product photography workflow, the Magic Eraser function. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to the AI product image section from the SellerPic homepage. You'll find Magic Eraser right there among the options. For this demonstration, I've already uploaded a photo of a beautiful watch, but there are some distracting elements on the surface where the watch is placed. All you need to do is select the tool and simply paint over the areas you want to remove. Notice how I don't need to be extremely precise with my selection. The AI is smart enough to understand exactly what needs to be removed. Now let's hit the erase button and watch the AI work its magic. Perfect. After about 10 seconds, our result is ready. Let's take a look at what we've achieved. All those distracting glass-like elements have been completely removed. The watch now stands out perfectly against a clean, flawless surface. Now, let me show you another powerful application of the Magic Eraser, removing larger distractions. This time, I'm uploading a photo of a handbag that has a price tag still attached. I can simply paint over it with the Magic Eraser, and the AI will remove it completely while preserving the texture and details of the bag. For this example, I'll paint over the entire price tag. Let's generate this one too. And again, incredible results. The price tag has been completely erased from the handbag, and you can't even tell it was ever there. The texture and color of the bag flow naturally across the area where the tag used to be. Here's a pro tip. Magic Eraser is perfect for removing watermarks from your own product photos that you may have previously published with branding, but now need a clean version. You can also use it to remove shadows, reflections, or even background objects that distract from your main product. The Magic Eraser tool is especially valuable for sellers who don't have access to a controlled photography environment. Even if you're shooting products on your kitchen table, you can easily remove any household items that might appear in the background of your shots. If you're looking to create professional, distraction-free product images without spending hours in complex editing software, SellerPic's Magic Eraser is an absolute game changer. It delivers professional results in seconds with no technical skills required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.